If you're looking for a high-quality LEP flashlight with little spill and a 1,000-meter throw, the JETBeam RRT-M2S is for you. JETBeam is already on board with LEP technology and releasing some of the most impressive ones on the market. In this video, we'll be unboxing and spotlighting notable features of the JETBeam RRT-M2S, as well as showing you output modes from turbo to strobe. This LEP runs on an included 21700 battery, which is fully rechargeable via micro USB. It is also compatible with 18650 batteries, giving you dual fuel capabilities to keep the laser output up and running. Packaging includes the JETBeam RRT-M2S LEP flashlight with the included 21700 battery, USB charging cable, lanyard, spare O-ring tactical ring and tail cap, as well as a user manual and warranty card. The JETBeam RRT-M2S has an IPX8 waterproof rating, making it submergible for 2 meters for up to 30 minutes. The light has a 1 meter drop resistance for protection against the worst wear and tear. To activate the light, simply press the tail cap switch. With the rotary head switch, you can change between the 3 brightness outputs as well as strobe and SOS modes. Now, let's see it in action. This is what the 15 lumen low mode looks like. Honestly, it's shocking that it's only 15 lumens. With the LEP laser light tech giving this little spill and reaching as far as it does, it really looks like it is way higher. This low mode runs on 11.5 hours total. With the 75 lumen medium mode, look at how there's no adjustment to spot or flood lighting. There's barely any added spill, just more LEP power. This mode outputs for 7 total hours. On high, you have 480 lumens of illumination with a runtime of 4.4 hours. A reliable runtime that supports the bright laser output best for any hunting trips or long-term outdoor endeavors. With a max 1,000 meter throw of light, this LEP reaches far for improved search and spotting use. Also supported is both strobe and SOS outputs, best for long-range signaling or help in emergency situations. Strobe mode runs for 9.7 hours, and SOS can run a total of 8.5. If you're interested in this flashlight, other LEP flashlights, or any light at all, check BatteryJunction.com for the best deals on lights, batteries, and gear. To get the latest in flashlight news, make sure to subscribe to our email newsletter. Consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss a new one. You can also follow our socials at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for sneak peeks at newly released lights. All the links are in the description down below.